Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily add music from files to your video edits on CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is just prepare the clip, and after that, go to audio at the bottom, go to sound, and then in here, click on the folder icon at the bottom. Choose from device, and in here you'll see a list of music on your file library on your phone. You can just choose which one to add or use to the video edit, and after that just click on the plus icon, and that's it. It will be added to the videos like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.